Good morning, everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, and if you're interested in creativity and lifestyle videos sprinkled with magic, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today is a very, very exciting day because we are going to Disneyland! Well, we're actually going to Disney California Adventure, but nonetheless, it's still super exciting. I already got ready, and Matthew was so kind enough to pick me up some coffee while I was getting ready. So we're currently staying at the Hotel Lulu, by the way, if you guys are wondering, and there's a Starbucks like right around the corner, so he went to go pick it up while I was getting ready. So we're just drinking our coffee before the day, and then we're gonna head on over to the parks. I also wanted to show you guys really quickly my pajamas because they are so cute. I picked them up from Target, and I saw them initially with Cassie, and then they didn't have any in my size, but then it was so cute and so soft, so I knew I had to get it. But I like it. It's really soft and really comfortable, obviously, but then the only thing is that the top isn't really like a top, it's just like a bra, but nonetheless, it's just like sleeping clothes, so I still think it's cute. Also, these are my outfits that I have planned for the day. It's honestly kind of just like the same outfit, but I'm just gonna swap out the ears. So, yes. Okay, now we're on our way. Ah, so exciting. And look, you guys, you can see Guardians right there. Right there. Okay, so we're waiting in line for California Adventure. What are you most excited for?
The credit coaster.
Which is what we're gonna do first thing in the day.
And food.
Oh yeah, all the food. Also, you guys, I already feel how hot it's gonna be. Do you see the sun beaming down? It's gonna be 90 degrees today.
Ooh, hot cocoa marshmallow macaron.
Oh my god, they opened a Joffrey's here. Oh, look how beautiful it is. All of the Christmas decorations. And then we are heading to Incredicoaster. Here we are! Morning! Incredicoaster is basically always our first ride of the day because there's absolutely like no line. We are back at Midway Mania because Matthew wants a rematch. We'll see who wins. Okay, who won that?
What?
Who won that?
Hey, I thought it was a lot closer, but in the end you just blew me out.
You didn't ever stand a chance.
Next time.
And now we're going to Guardians. We are heading to Avengers Campus and we're gonna go on Guardians.
I love Marvel.
Also, you guys, I don't know how the reservation system works anymore for, oh my god, Black Panther! There he is! Okay, so last time I raved about these cosmic orbs, so of course we had to pick one up. It's literally right outside of Guardians, so it looks like that. It really doesn't look that appetizing, but I promise you guys it's really good. Things like that.
I think it's like raspberry?
Yeah, raspberry or blueberry with like chocolate outsides. So good.
Kayla's not a really big fan of chocolate, but this is good. I love chocolate.
for breakfast, we wanted to try the Pim's Test Kitchen breakfast because last time we only tried lunch. So I got the ever-expanding Cinna Pim toast, and then Matthew got the calculated breakfast E times 2 plus B. Yeah, he got the calculated breakfast. Move the bacon. Damn, this is like... Oh, I should have moved the egg. Also, you guys, it's only like 10 o'clock and it's really so hot. And it's November.
What are you doing?
I feel like this is gonna taste like a churro.
Do you understand?
It tastes good though. So I'm gonna scramble. Rich, thick. Good?
It's pretty good.
Okay guys, if you guys know me, you know I'm all about my popcorn. So good. Also, I wanted to talk about masks. So, you don't have to wear your mask outside the park, but when you're inside a store, you have to wear your mask. Like if you're inside the stores or the bathroom, you have to wear your mask. And I feel pretty comfortable with that rule, so I'm not wearing my mask outside. Okay, what do we get?
Cranberry bourbon.
Uh-huh.
This one's a plant-based something. Not too sure. An empanada. This one's a hot chicken cider. And this one, prickly pear non-alcoholic drink. This one's for sure gonna be hot.
Hot?
This one's for
Spicy?
sure gonna be spicy. I'm a sucker for fried chicken. I don't care what type.
Okay, we're here for another round of food. So this one is like a pina colada drink. I forget what it's called.
I forget what it's called too.
And then that one is another lemonade type of drink. I forget what it's called.
I think it's a mango lemonade.
And then, okay, so we got shrimp and grits, and then we also got braised pork belly adobo. Yay! And we almost missed this part. It was like, it was really hidden. But we're glad we got it. Okay, I got the shrimp and grits, and then he's trying the adobo first. Oh, hot.
Good.
Like heat hot though, it's good. I really like that. It's so good.
We're about to pass this.
I would like to eat this again.
So good.
This one's definitely my favorite part, you guys. So don't forget, if you guys are in this section over here, check out the Holiday Duets cart right over there. It's like right towards the entrance of when you walk down the little walkway here. So don't forget this cart. It's definitely so good. You guys are not going to want to miss it. We got the churro toffee cold brew latte. And I think they use the Joffrey's coffee.
Yeah.
You can try first.
What if I try it with the whipped cream or like without the whipped cream first? Yeah, this is good.
Aren't you glad that we got our own? Oh, I like this.
Yeah, it's good, right?
What's the crumble on top, like toffee, right?
Yeah. Or is it churro and coffee?
Good thing I got my own.
You'd be like, Matthew, go get another one.
It's like not too sweet too,
Yeah.
which I like. So we're eating another round of food from the Festival of Holidays. So I got the mac and cheese with stuffing, and then this one is the mac and cheese with carnitas.
With carnitas, yeah.
Yeah, with carnitas, and then we also got a drink, but we're sitting at a bench. But this is the mule.
Yeah, the mezcal
Yeah, the
mule.
mezcal mule, and it's in front of the booth at the aerial ride. So.
Ooh.
I do have a joke.
Mac and cheese always hits the spot.
Yeah.
When it's like,
Do you like the flavor?
yeah. But when it's like done a little differently, it's still pretty good.
Yeah.
Because she's always running away.
I like this one. I like this like the stuffing on top. I'm gonna try yours.
Yeah.
Now for all my newcomers, welcome to Golden Zephyr. When you get to your rock, it's really going to fit 2 flyers per row. 1 flyer per seatbelt. Absolutely no lap sitting, and all smaller flyers. Please enter the rockets first and sit on the right-hand side away from that rocket opening. Gates unlocked, or locked.
I think we definitely picked the ones that we would like. Like this is definitely something that you would like, and this is something I would like. We are currently waiting in line for Soren, and it's finally starting to cool down because the sun's going down, so that's good. So do you like Incredicoaster in the daytime or the nighttime?
Nighttime.
My eyelashes are still on, you guys. Whew. And now we're getting a cookie. Okay, it's so dark, you guys. I don't really think you can see, but I wanted to show you guys that I got the shawarma palace from Avengers Campus, and then Matthew's still eating the shrimp and grits, and then we also got the drink that was over there before, which was the banana colada. So we're just having dinner now. Okay, so we just rode Guardians for the 2nd time. We're walking through Avengers Campus, and then Matthew wants to get another corn dog, and then I'm probably gonna get popcorn. I don't care. Matthew finally got his corn dog.
Can't leave here without one.
What about tomorrow?
There too.
Of course, we had to end the night with some popcorn. Okay, what was your favorite food of the day from Festival of the Holidays?
We had a banana colada.
I think it was called banana or something. I don't know.
Yeah, something.
But either way, that was really good. And then we also got like the braised pork adobo, and then we also got the
Shrimp and grits.
yeah, shrimp and grits, and that was really good.
That was probably the best thing we ate.
So I think we rode a few rides like after, and then yeah, now we basically just ate all day.
But we did ride a lot of rides.
We rode a lot of rides. Like we were saying that we definitely did a lot more than we did last time when we came here, so that's good. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow at Disneyland. But if you guys like this video, and you guys like the Disneyland vlogs, then please sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys like Disneyland or Disney California Adventure better. I definitely like Disneyland better, but Disney California Adventure comes in like a close second. But I just personally feel like there's a lot more to do at Disneyland. And be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video from me. And let's stay connected. Follow me on my socials. They're both just Kayla's Ever After. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys next time.
I would be happy with